Now let's cut to our special COVID segment, Good, Bad, Ugly. Take a listen.
Here is the good news of the day when it comes to the vaccination drive in the country. Over 6.75 crore vaccinations have been given out in the country already, as the government is looking at expanding the drive even further. From the 1st of April onwards, the vaccination drive has started, involving those above the age of 45 and even without underlying healthcare conditions, to in fact increase the ambit of the number of people who then should be getting the dose of the vaccine against COVID-19. The government has also said that there is no shortage of the vaccine, and at least 7 vaccines are being looked at right now, and there will be more options in weeks to come essentially. The government has also asked states to vaccinate all days of the week, also on holidays, so that at any given point in time, there is no question of the vaccination pace slowing down in the country. Here is the bad news of the day when it comes to COVID-19. At over 1.21 crore infections in totality, India has the 3rd highest number of cases in the world after the US and Brazil. Daily cases are increasing once again in India, reporting more than 70,000 cases, with Maharashtra reporting more than 43,000 cases. There's a surge that is being seen in major cities like Mumbai, for example, which has reported more than 8,000 cases. Delhi has seen a 53% jump in cases. There are concerns in other states like Tamil Nadu, Punjab and Chandigarh, Chhattisgarh as well. For example, the National Capital Region also is seeing a surge in cases. Over 386% rise in COVID cases in the state of Tamil Nadu, which has seen an increase in positivity rate also, and over 196% increase in COVID cases in West Bengal. What's common to both these states is that they're going to polls, and this is a big concern because election rallies are seeing people throw caution to wind completely. All protocol is being ignored by people, also by netas who are taking part in these campaigns, and this was bound to happen. At least for the moment, Kerala and Assam are 2 states that seem to be ducking this trend. However, there is a concern in the Union Territory of Puducherry as well, is what experts are seeing, with cases increasing in the small Union Territory of Puducherry as well. And a lot of this is being attributed to...
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.